Hi, and welcome to Fun with Flags. My name,
Matt, great show, buddy. That's Azure Files Season 2.
yes. But that was cool, Big Bang, the shirt, come on.
Yeah. The reason it's Big Bang is because Season 2 of the Azure Files is going to be a Big Bang.
And that is correct. Guys, welcome to episode 1 of Season 2 of the Azure Files. It feels great to be back. And thank you for all the emails that we've received from you guys. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. It's really been good.
Talking about that, last season we have given away tickets to the Comic-Con.
That is correct.
Matt, could you please announce the winner of those tickets, please?
Sure.
So, I mean, it's not you. Sorry.
That's a bit harsh. Okay, but anyway, so the winner of the Comic-Con tickets that will be going to Comic-Con South Africa this year is none other than Anthony Forbes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending through your mails and your feedback, and it's really been good. So we hope you enjoyed Comic-Con, and we will definitely be seeing you there.
So as you guys know, we normally have a question of the week, but because this is episode 1, we don't have no questions. So what Matt and I thought we'd do is actually discuss the Azure infrastructure.
Definitely.
So what happens behind the scenes on the cool tech. Now, just in case you don't know, Azure has been for the 5th year running in the leader quadrant, in the Gartner Magic Quadrant.
That is correct. And it is awesome to see some of the innovation that was released now at the latest Microsoft conference overseas, Build 2018. It was really good to see some of the innovation behind the strategy of the cool tech in the data centers.
A lot of stuff that we don't see. Like one of the cool stuff is the networking stuff.
Yeah, so Azure started a strategy with using DPDK and FPGA networks. So all the processing power has really now been optimized for networking.
Tell them about that. No gateway required now to connect the two VNets or the two virtual machines together.
Yeah, so they've done a lot of development and innovation on the backbone of their networking, and now what that's allowed for is VNet to VNet peering, which previously was done via local gateways and VPN gateways, is now seamless.
You did a whiteboard first season of that with VNets, right?
I did. Yeah, that was displaying IPsec tunnels and SSL VPNs and all of that kind of stuff. But now VNet peering is very similar. We're essentially creating an IPsec tunnel between networks, and now we can do that without local gateways.
Oh, that's cool.
In Azure. So it's really cool to see that kind of innovation being brought in to these hyperscale cloud platforms.
Okay, one of the cool things I thought was the server fabric mesh, where they had 3 IoT devices. I think Marcus Sinovicius was yippee-ki-yay. There's a word after that, but apparently I'm not allowed to mention it. Where one of the devices got unplugged or failed, and HA over IoT devices.
Yes, so I really enjoy Service Fabric meshes and the Service Fabric web stuff that Microsoft released previously. It was really cool to work with. And that tech is now being pushed closer and closer to the edge, like IoT devices. So what's also cool is now that you can simulate that in Visual Studios before deploying it into Azure. And you can do it like on the machine that you're working on using Visual Studios. And I think that's phenomenal. That's going to help me definitely a lot doing some of the cool projects I get to work on.
No, that's really cool.
So I really think that's a significant difference.
One of the other cool things that I think is coming back now to virtual machines is Microsoft has got something released now called the Beast. So that's the code name for a virtual machine. It's also M series, and I think it's 24 terabytes of RAM.
Yeah, so the backend cluster that this is deployed onto is called the Beast. It's got 24 terabytes of RAM.
24.
And all the M series machines that are essentially RAM optimized machines.
And those are for SAP HANA.
Yeah, well, SAP HANA is just one of the workloads, but primarily was developed around the SAP HANA certifications and compliances that they needed to have, is now available on that Beast machine. So it's really cool tech, and this once again the software-defined networking optimization that they've done is really cool.
But Matt, let's not give too much away because we've still got a whole season to go through.
That is correct.
A lot of episodes we can discuss all the cool other features that are in there.
That is true, 100%.
As normally, we end on a Geek Fact of the Week, and this Geek Fact is before our time as well. Hardware-assisted virtualization was first developed by IBM on the System 370 in 1972.
Okay, so
that was even before my time.
That is quite cool because normally it's always just before my time. So, okay, awesome.
Yay, 114.
Now you don't have to call me millennial every day.
Oh, the youth of today.
All right.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please do keep watching. We really enjoy start sending us questions.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. I think we already have received a few questions already in our inbox that we'll go through. But thank you so much for watching. We really do like the support. Please don't forget to subscribe.
And Anthony, we will see you at Comic-Con.